Introducing Virage, a dramatic new addition to the Brizo bath collection. Named after the French word for twist, Virage merges modern sophistication with hints of Art Deco styling for a uniquely elegant form that adapts to almost any environment. And with WaterSense certification, it offers a beautiful new way to live green. Virage is available in a variety of models, including widespread, vessel deck mount, vessel wall mount, and Roman tub. For standard tub and shower usage, Virage offers a medium flow thermostatic configuration. It also offers an unmatched spa-like experience with the Virage Sensori High Flow Custom Shower, with options including standard and ceiling mount shower heads, touch clean body sprays, as well as body sprays and jets, featuring our patented H2O kinetic technology. Matching accessories for Virage include mirror, light fixtures, towel bar, and towel ring. Virage is available in 5 stunning finishes: polished chrome, Venetian bronze, brilliance brushed nickel, brilliance brushed bronze, and reintroducing brilliance polished nickel. Sleek style with a simple twist. Virage for the bath by Brizo.